Attorneys representing Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament for Kingston Central, Donovan Williams, are threatening to take his councillor for the Raytown Division, Rosalie Hamilton, to court following a series of alleged defamatory statements that have been making the rounds on social media. Jamila Maitland has the details.
There's a rift between two JLP elected officials that could escalate in the next 48 hours. It comes following a cease and desist letter from lawyers representing Member of Parliament for Central Kingston Donovan Williams, issued to councillor for the Raytown Division Rosalie Hamilton. In the letter dated March 24, Mr. Williams' legal team demanded that Ms. Hamilton remove any offending videos and voice notes on social media, issue a full apology to be published on said social media platforms, and to retract any false statements made and mitigate the damage caused by the alleged defamatory publications. The actions should be taken by Thursday. The letter said failure to do so could result in the matters being escalated to the Supreme Court. Rosalie Hamilton has been the councillor for the Raytown Division since 2003. She lost the division in 2012 but reclaimed it in 2016. She further cemented her presence in the division in the 2024 local government election. Ms. Hamilton later joined forces with Donovan Williams in 2020 when the JLP took the Kingston Central constituency out of the arms of the People's National Party. Mr. Williams repeated that win in 2025, again with Ms. Williams by his side. But now, it appears that there could be a face-off. TVJ News obtained audio recordings purported to be Ms. Hamilton promising to withhold her political support from Mr. Williams.
I stay in a Central Kingston. Me, I go campaign make you lose. So you offer up, I have to get rid of you. You, me, I forget rid of. Me not ask you that.
We also received this video from supporters of Mr. Williams.
One Donovan Williams, we now switch. One Mr. Williams upon the app.
As to what's causing the rift, TVJ News put the issue to chairman of the JLP's Communications Task Force, Senator Abka Fitz-Henley, but he declined to comment. Senator Fitz-Henley said the legal matter takes precedence. TVJ News tried reaching out to Councillor Rosalie Hamilton for a comment but was unsuccessful. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.